Let's improve our directive by adding some bindings to our template. Right now, our directive simply displays some static text, the words user info card. Let's make it display something more useful. Let's say that up on our scope, we've got a user object. And this user object has a name property. Now I want my user info card to display the name of the user. So I'll go back down into the template. I'll put the word name, a colon, and then inside of double curly braces, I'll type in user.name. And you can see that the directive is now displaying the name of our user. When Angular processes this directive's templates, it will see a binding to a user object. So it will look on the current scope, and since this directive is placed inside the HTML owned by the main controller, it's going to ask the main controller's scope for an object named user, and then access the name property. The template for a directive works exactly like a regular HTML page. You can add in bindings and they will be interpolated by Angular and replaced with the actual values. Let's make this a little bit more interesting by adding some more data to our user. Now let's go down to our template and add in places for all of that data. I'll add in the user's street, a line break, and then their city, one more line break, and then their planet. I've added quite a few bindings to my template, and Angular has replaced them all correctly. So not only was I able to add in bindings, I was also able to add in HTML tags, like these BR tags. Templates are extremely versatile and can handle anything that you would do with Angular inside of a regular HTML page.